Hi guys, hope you guys enjoyed my last video. So for today, let's make a easy caramel pudding recipe that everyone is going to enjoy, and it's so simple to make. So let's get into the recipe. Adipoli. So hope that you guys enjoy this easy caramel pudding recipe. Please do recreate it and let me know if you liked it. So I'll see you in my next video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to Hungry Mahi so you can watch all these amazing recipes that are short and simple and to the point.